full. Take a look at what you have now, what's in front of you. Look with your eyes, what's in front of you. And once you start, even if you just say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, instead of listening to those horrible thoughts that are happening in your head that tells you about all the things that you should be upset about or that you should worry about or that's wrong or what are you going to do and you've got to make sure you make the right decision. All of those thinking, all of those thoughts calms and becomes restful and easy when you just imbue them with the word thank you. Because the thankful generates the mind into an energy that becomes satisfied, that feels like it's being heard, like it's being seen, like it's being acknowledged. It's full. And Viktor Frankl says that, for a crust of bread for dinner in the concentration camp, there was such thankfulness. And with that thankfulness, miraculously, things become more. Because when it's full, it attracts other things that also brings that fullness to the table. It's how it works, yeah. Like attracts like. The ancient remedy, I haven't forgotten, the ancient remedy is you go down to the corner shop. There are still corner shops, or the spaza shop here in South Africa. And then you buy yourself a box of Smarties. And then you eat one Smartie at a time. And best, if you can, to find a tree. Big tree that you can sit with your back against the tree and against the trunk of the tree and just let that tree absorb the energy of the things that you want to let go of. Very good practice. And then you say, what a lot I got. And then you swallow the Smartie, let it melt in your mouth, and you feel the wonder of chocolate. Chocolate fixes anything, So you have the Smartie. What a lot I got. And then you become thankful, smartful. And when you're smart, life enjoys your company. So, such is life. Be good to yourself till we meet again. Bye.